The Optoelectronics-GY1000 online near-infrared moisture meter mainly consists of two parts, the probe and the PC. The measurement principle of this product is as follows. Water exhibits strong absorption characteristics at certain specific wavelengths of infrared light. When materials are irradiated with infrared light at these specific wavelengths, the water contained in the material absorbs a portion of the infrared light's energy. The more water present, the greater the absorption. Therefore, the reduction in reflected light can be measured to calculate the moisture content of the material. Fix the probe above the material to be tested, ensuring that the measurement spot is vertically illuminated onto the sample. The distance between the probe window and the material to be tested should be 25 cm plus or minus 10 cm. Insert the 24V power supply into the power socket at the rear. Connect the network port to the PC. Software introduction. 1. Double-click the software to open the GY1000 client. 2. Once the software is open, you will see 4 icons in the top left corner: Home, Settings, History, and Software Version. 3. Click the Settings icon, set the IP address to 192.168.1.104, and click Start Service. At this point, the probe will be successfully connected to the PC, and the connected probe will be displayed on the screen. 4. Return to the home page, where you will see 3 icons on the right side: Calibration Module, Device Details, and Expand. In the Calibration Module, you can perform measurements and create models for samples with different moisture content. 6. In the Device Details page, you can set the model, average measurement times, correction values, and other settings. 7. Click the button in the bottom left corner of the main page to start continuous data collection. 8. A flashing green light below, over limit, indicates that data collection is in progress. Standard sample preparation. Turn on the balance and weigh the sample tray, recording the weight of the tray as a 2.2. Spread the sample evenly on the tray, ensuring that the measurement spot is completely covered by the sample. Then weigh the tray with the sample, recording the weight as B1. 3. After measuring the first sample, place it in an oven with the temperature set to 135 degrees Celsius. Dry the sample for 2 to 3 minutes, then remove it and allow it to cool. Repeat the weighing process, recording the weights as B2, B3, B4, etc. It is recommended to record 8 to 10 measurements. 4. After all measurements are recorded and the moisture meter has been used for measurements, place the sample in the oven for complete drying, approximately 2 hours, until the weight stops changing. Record this final weight as C. Calculate the moisture content at each measurement point. A1 equals B1C / B1A, A2 equals B2C / B2A. This will give the moisture content of the sample at different times. GY1000 sample calibration modeling. 1. Turn on the balance and weigh the sample tray, recording the weight of the tray as a 2. Spread the sample evenly on the tray, ensuring that the measurement spot is fully covered by the sample. Then weigh the tray with the sample, recording the weight as B1. 3. After weighing, place the sample under the moisture meter, ensuring that the measurement spot is completely directed onto the sample surface. Click a measure in the software. The software will display the weight of the tray and the combined weight of the tray and sample. Input the corresponding values for the tray weight and the combined weight of the sample plus tray. The current X value will appear and will correspond to the previously recorded sample. After measuring the first sample, repeat the process for samples dried at different time intervals. Record the weights as B2, B3, B4, and so on. 5. Once all measurement values are recorded using the moisture meter, place the sample in the oven to dry completely, approximately 2 hours, until the weight stops changing. Record this final weight as C. After collecting all the data, fill in the dry weight as C. The software will automatically calculate the moisture content at different times. 7. Calculate the moisture content at each measurement point. A to 1 equals B1C / B1A. A to 2 equals B2C / B2A. Match the calculated moisture contents with the corresponding measurement values, select the corresponding data, and click Calibration. The software will then automatically fit and build the calibration model. The calibration is now complete.